Hello and welcome to week 3 of the house completion series. So today we are finally fitting our new aluminium windows on site, and we are replacing them from the steel windows which you have over there and two aluminium windows. We're doing that because the client requested for sliding windows and she also requested for fly screens. So we don't have power on site, so we're currently working with a genset. And previously we had to demolish the old steel windows, and then now we are fitting the new aluminium windows. So the works will take approximately 2 to 3 days from demolishing to fitting of the windows. So we're replacing all the windows, and the windows are much bigger, making it look more aesthetic and more pleasing to what the client wants. So let's go inside and we see what we have done so far. So this is our first outdoor window, and as we go inside, we're going to put some Georgian wire glass windows here on the door frame. And we have our Sieben workers fitting all the aluminium windows, putting the glass onto the aluminium before they can actually go on the wall. So like we said, we're replacing all of the windows. This is our kitchen window. So as you recall, this is a steel window, and it was more of a butterfly opening. So we're going to replace this with a sliding window with a flat screen, and it will look so much better than before. So let's go in the bedroom and we see what we're going in the master bedroom to see what we have done as well. This also has a slightly bigger opening, and once this is done, we're replacing the steel windows with the aluminium windows as well. And we're also just going to make use of the old burglar bars that were there, and we're going to place them here, right back on these windows, on these newly installed windows. So the reason why we are using the old burglar bars is that there's still space for someone to easily go in and move the windows. So we still can make room for them, even though the full window won't be in use anymore. And then maybe the client can use our old windows for a new house, or just maybe repurpose them for something else. So this is the master bathroom, and it also has a slightly bigger window, looks more aesthetic, and it's going to have an obscure glass window. So it will look so much better than what we had before. So thank you so much for watching one of our house completion videos. Please make sure to give us a call and know that we can finish your project at any stage from start to finish, and we look forward to having a talk with you. So please feel free to visit our website on www.sieben.co.zm, or give us an email on info@sieben.co.zm, or give us a call on 077 15 19 640. I'll be happy to give you a quotation or a consultation. We look forward to starting and completing your next house. Bye.